it's true. The housing market in New Jersey is improving. What does that even mean at this point after the craziness for the last 2 years? It means a lot. It doesn't mean that you're all of a sudden going to be bidding under asking and there's going to be 20 properties to choose from and buyers are going to win everything. Let's not get crazy. My name is Jonathan Green. I run a big team called Streamline Properties on Market, brokered by eXp Realty. I've been doing transactions the whole time of this pandemic, hundreds of transactions over the last 2 years. And now we're finally starting to see something break. There's a little bit more inventory coming on. There's less offers going out, which means your overall end price point is coming down. It doesn't mean it's all of a sudden going to be easy. It's just not. The demand is still there. There's still buyers who've lost out so many times. If we had during the pandemic all the times, even when it was post in the last year, we had 30, 40 offers on homes. Most of those buyers are still in the market because it's still very hard to win. But there's always a cliff in these cycles, and not really like a cliff that you're going to fall off, but you could, because one day always happens in these market cycles where too many houses are finally back on the market and the buyers are not available. So that's when things start to change. So we are seeing price reductions because remember, everyone was so hopped up and the prices are so high, appraisal values have been high, that people are pricing higher generally, except in some areas where they price extremely low, embarrassingly low just to get a high price. But still, the overall end values are going to start to look a little bit less. So for all the buyers over the last 6 months who quit the process, now is definitely the time to at least come back to the table to look. Nobody's going to force your hand to buy anything, but if you're starting to look around again, now is a great time to start to see, oh, there's a little bit more days on market, a little bit more happening in terms of price reductions. And this is really all over New Jersey, specifically northern New Jersey is where we're focused to see activity cease. Are things going to keep selling over asking? Yes, there's a lot of agencies that price low on purpose, but are there going to be sellers who are so hot on what they think they can get that they're going to reach the cliff moment and it's going to start to get a little dicey? All you want right now as a buyer, as one house to go out just a little bit overpriced, or on a weekend where the weather's bad and nobody sees it, and you finally have a one-on-one opportunity. It's not going to happen a lot. I'm not going to make up a story for you, but we're definitely seeing buyers with a little bit more power. Still, sellers have the power, but as you gain leverage, if your financing or cash money is solid, you're definitely going to have more leverage to win those offers where now there's less offers to choose from. When sellers had 20 offers to choose from, there's a lot of different ways they can leverage against each other to keep going up and up. When you only have 4 offers and a couple are bad, those buyers are going to have more leverage if they know their offer is solid, their financing package is solid, they can match what the sellers need. And what else is going to stop when this is going to happen? Now that we're already into regular closing time for the summer, all of the use and occupancy stuff is probably going to start to stop. Sellers have had so much power that they've been asking buyers to close and then just staying in the house 2-3 months. You can really only stay 60 days with the occupancy requirements for mortgage. But we've seen a lot happen in that regard, and I do think that's going to start to change soon. So it's June 2022. Welcome to summer. If you're a buyer in New Jersey, or if you're a seller, now's the time to get the house on the market while there's still people looking. I don't think we're going into a crash. These areas that have been doing so well aren't going to hit the bottom, but you are going to be losing money soon because the market just cannot maintain. It was like 2 years of price increases or values going up. I think we're going to start to hit back on that now. So I hope this helps. If you need help in New Jersey, I have 32 agents that work for me. We work the entire state, and we're focused experts on the areas. We run the data, and our job is not to push you into buying, selling, or investing, just to be an advisor to you in your journey. So you can always find us at streamlined.properties. Have a great day.